Welcome to SADX. This video I am going to simplify this format which is very important. Let's start. Number 1. Here is inside square root 5 square minus 3 square divide 1 by root 25 minus root 9. So first square root 5 square means 25 minus 3 square means 9 divide 1 by root 25 it means 5 minus root 9 means 3. Then 25 minus 9 is a 16 and also square root divide 1 by 5 minus 3 it means 1 divided 2. 5 minus 3 means 2. Now look, root 16 it means 4 divide 1 by 2. So we can write 4 times this 1 by 2 will become flip, so 2. So our answer is 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8. This is our answer. Very simple, step by step we are trying to solve first one. This is done. Second question. Inside root 1 plus again root 4 times 2 plus 1. So this one we can write here is 1 plus then a root 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 and also whole root. Now look, 1 plus 8 plus 1 is a 9, also root and whole root. Then 1 plus root 9, what does mean? It means 3 and whole root. Now look, 1 plus 3 is a 4 square root. So our answer is 2. Look, it's looking a little bit complex, but once you try to solve step by step you will get the right answer very smartly. So 2 is our answer. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3. Here is 5 to the power 50 plus 5 to the power 49 divide 6. So this kinds of scenario we have to think deeply. This 5 to the power 50 plus 5 to the power 49 has some relation. How? Look, we can write 5 to the power 49 plus 1 plus 5 to the power 49 divide 6. Now look, we know a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n, right? So this one also we can write 5 to the power 49 times 5 to the power 1, and here is plus 5 to the power 49 divide 6. Now look, 5 to the power 49 we can take common, so here is 5 plus 1 divide 6. Now look, here is 5 to the power 49 times 5 plus 1 is a 6 divide 6. So 6 and 6 out, our answer will be 5 to the power 49. Very simple. This is our answer. Number 4. Cubic root of 2 plus again cubic root of 27 plus 3. So this is very important and also for learning it's need to know. Now look, first cubic root we can keep as it is, then 2 plus cubic root of 27 we can write 3. How? Look, 27 and here is cubic root of 27. So 27, once we omit cubic root it will be to the power 3. This 27 also we can write 3 cube and here times 1 by 3. So 3 divide 3. So our answer will be 3 to the power 1. It means 3. Okay. So 2 plus 3 and here is plus 3. Now look, cubic root 2 plus 3 plus 3, it means 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now we want to omit this one. So this 8 we can write 2 cube times against cubic root we can write 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 out. So 2 to the power 1, it means 2. This 2 is our answer. Very simple. So by this video I am trying to solve these 4 exponential square root problems. I hope you understand, and no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is SadX. By this channel you will get lots of math, these types especially. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.